there, my name's Erika Masterson, and I did a post recently about how I have sort of a new vision for 2020, and I wanted to share that with you. My plan was to just record anytime that I'm creating. It's not always often that I'm creating, but I thought it would be fun to record and then teach a little bit as I go along. I have several creative spaces that I work in. Like this room, I do a lot of still life, portrait. Downstairs I have portrait setups that I do, and then I have a dark room in a different location. And so I thought it would be fun just as I'm doing shooting, Photoshop editing, film shooting, film developing, making cyanotype negatives and then making cyanotypes, doing pigment transfer prints, just basically anything that I'm working on, I'm going to record and then I'm going to create a video. So my daughter Sarah will be my video editor, and my son Drew plays guitar, and any of the guitar that you hear in my videos is him. So I'm really excited to just share and to teach, and I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. That way when I do a post you won't miss a thing. I can't promise it'll be every week, as I do go through spurts, and sometimes I'm doing absolutely nothing, but it's going to be fun anyway. So I'm really looking forward to sharing, and I'll see you soon.